So this is it, this is the gate. Nuclear Submarine Training Centre. Something about that word nuclear makes me kind of spooked. Meeting me is the reassuringly titled Radiation Protection Advisor, Valery Badiakonov. Hey, Valery.
Yes.
How are you? I'm Chris.
Chris?
Yeah.
Glad to meet you.
I'm kind of nervous. I've never been inside a nuclear base before.
Welcome to hell. That's my joke.
Oh, it's very... Oh, how I laugh.
Yes, in fact, it will be a little bit dangerous.
A little bit
But
dangerous.
I would say the small amount of radiation is very good for men.
Very good for men?
Yes.
No, it's not.
For men activity. Yes.
What activity?
With women.
What?
Yeah, right.
I don't go out with radioactive women. What are you talking about?
No. You will be active.
Oh,
no
I'm radioactive. Great.
Yes, let's go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You're the least reassuring person I've ever met. As we're going in, it's going up.
Oh, please,
good.
come in.
Oh well, in we go. So what's through that wall?
Reactor compartment with reactor. That's absolutely...
Hang on. So through that wall is a nuclear reactor?
Yeah, exactly.
Is it a thick wall?
No, it's not too big. Please. You can see it's a reactor compartment of submarine.
That's amazing. So this is a cross-section of a submarine, isn't it?
Yes. It's a cross-section of Soviet submarine with a reactor inside. For training a crew of submariners.
And you were a submariner yourself?
Yes. Yeah, I used submarine like this when I was young, end of the 70s.
Yeah?
Yes.
So when they said to you as a young man you were going into a nuclear submarine, were you scared?
No.
When the base was operational, hundreds of Soviet submariners would have passed through Poldisky as they prepared for life under the waves. Is the nuclear reactor still active inside there?
Yes, of course. It's a little bit dangerous now.
It's a little bit dangerous now.
Yes.
Do you mind if we go?
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, please.
I'm not a wimp. I did like Valery. He was a bit gung-ho, but back in something like the 60s, this place would have been absolutely top secret. Now, some bloke like me can just pop in, have a look round and pop out again as fast as you possibly can.